Alright, so here's another interesting thing for today. I've been driving around with the ticking sound. I thought it was the rods. Replace the rod bearings, which I'm not even going to post a video on it because, well, unless you want me to. Um, it's like total waste of time. Anyway, so I broke my lifter in half. I don't know how that happened, but yeah, so she's definitely got some interesting valve spring power or something like that, or maybe it just couldn't hang on anymore. But yeah, you can see it's nice and shiny because I drove it around for a nice and long ass amount of time. So, but yeah, the lifter broke in half, and I don't know where the other piece went. But yeah, pretty weird.